What's up, guys? Welcome back. We are just hanging out. I will show you our birds just to remind you the names. And Ruby, our female Glectus. Teddy, our male Glectus, Blunt. Cassius, our green-winged macaw. Stash, our mustache parakeet. Winston, our mealy Amazon. Hannah, our female Glectus. Dylan, our male Glectus. They are eating right now, so that's all our birds. Peace. Hope you guys can come over. And we miss you. We want you, and maybe you and your daughter could come over later. You guys could come over later. Later. To have some fun. And we watched your video. I heard that you guys have been watching my videos, and I decided to make a new one. And we love birds. We're bird lovers. Step up. Oh, that was a close one. Gosh, almost bit me. See you in the next vlog.